Welcome back to another interesting quick tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you how to stop or disable Google Chrome pop-up on screen on your Windows PC, just like what you see right here. How can you stop annoy Google Chrome pop-up on your Windows screen without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come to your Start menu. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, go ahead and right click on your Start. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Settings. Then from Settings right here, go ahead and come to Find a Setting and type in Notification, just like so. Once you type in Notification, it is going to you're going to have a different type of notification popping up right here. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on Turn App Notification on or off. So go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and then you have Chrome right here. You can click on this icon right here to expand. Then you have all different types of notification by Google. So you can decide to turn off everything. And for that, go ahead and make sure you click on this icon to turn it on. You can see once I turn it on, the notification disappear. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about Windows settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.